Power training. Power training is one of my favorite subjects because I think that even as a therapist, because I am a therapist, we weren't really training people for power, and we need it. You need power in your legs to go up the stairs. You need power in your legs to go from sit to stand or from the floor and up. You're playing on the floor and you want to get up. You have to have power in your legs. And it is a very different training than strength training. So strength training is 5 repetitions, 80% of a 1 rep max, and I'll tell you more about that later. So let's focus on the power. So power training is like strength training, only you do it fast. So if I'm gonna do power training for my legs, for my quads and my hamstrings and my glutes, I'm gonna get in a squat position and power up fast and then come down slow. Very, very important for building that ballistic power, get you to jump out of the way of something, or even just make you a better athlete. Power training is needed for running and all kinds of sports.